The first step is to install the air inlet pipe, which is located inside the firebox on every unit. It has 4 bolts here to attach to the back of the stove. One thing to pay attention to here is that if you're going to be installing a blower in the later steps, you're going to want to make sure that the set screw hole is on top of the air inlet. For this demonstration, we're going to be installing it without a blower, so our set screw hole is on the bottom. So after this piece is installed, the next step is to hang the Nova 2 rear air duct on the back of the stove. Again, this is the position of the rear air duct if you do not have a blower installed. If you are going to install the stove with a blower, this should be popped up into the top position. Now that we have our rear air duct installed, we're now going to install this part here by attaching it to these 2 pre-drilled holes on the side of the air duct with the sheet metal screws that are included. This part, as you see here, comes pre-assembled. Our next step is to install this part right into the rear air inlet. First, we're going to want to grab the slide here, slide it in, and then press into the rear air inlet. We want it to be parallel to the ground. After pressing it in, we're then going to secure it with the set screw located on the bottom or the top, depending on if you're using a blower. Our final step is plugging in our AirX system, whether it's with the provided power cord that can plug directly into the wall or with the portable battery. We're first going to plug a cable into the bottom of the enclosure, and in this case we're going to plug it into the battery, and using the magnet on the back of the battery, simply attach the battery to the back of the rear air duct. And now your system is installed.